How to add text completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro. First step is to locate your video file under the project bin and drag it onto the timeline. Click the video file, click Effects Control under the Effects Control panel. Next, type T on your keyboard and then drag under the Program Video icon panel and you'll get a red box. Type in anything that you want that will indicate the text you want to see on the screen. To edit the text, Control A or highlight the text. Under Effects Control, locate where it says Text. Click the drop-down arrow. Center the text. Make the text larger or smaller. Click Vector Motion, and then click on the text to edit. And this is the before, and this is the after. A bonus tip to add in an effect with the text. Locate where you want to add in the effect. In this case, it's the beginning of the video. Click the text file, click Effect Control, and then under the opacity, click the keyframe or this icon, and drag this to the left, because we will add in a fade in, and then a fade out effect. Locate where you want the text to fade in, and then drag it to the right. And this is the before, and then now this is the after. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos on how to create content in under a minute, consider dropping this video a like, commenting down below, and subscribe to the channel and share the video.